Hi everyone, welcome to DMR tutorials. In this capsule today we will be discussing about the operations on rational numbers. That means how to add rational numbers, how to subtract the rational numbers, and how to multiply the rational numbers, and of course division of rational numbers. First in the list, let us discuss about the addition of rational numbers. If you have given two rational numbers, for example, to add the two rational numbers, we have to follow three steps. The step one is first convert the two rational numbers into the form of like rational numbers. Means you should equate the denominators of the rational numbers. After equating the denominators of the rational numbers, add the numerators, and after adding the numerators, then reduce the rational number into lowest form, and that is the addition of two rational numbers. So if you follow the three steps, then the addition of rational numbers will become very easy to you. Now let us have one example how to add two rational numbers which are given to you. Add 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. So it was given that add 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. First of all, you have to convert them into the form of like rational numbers. So that is 2 by 5, 3 by 4. It will be equal to, first with the denominator of the second rational number, multiply the numerator and denominator of the first. So that is 2 into 4 by 5 into 4. Similarly 3 by 4, 3 into 5, 4 into 5. And this is 2 4s are 8 by 20, 3 5s are 15 by 20. Therefore 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 2 by 5 is nothing but 8 by 20 plus 3 by 4 is nothing but 15 by 20. 20 the same, 8 plus 15. 8 plus 15. 8 plus 15 is 23 by 20. And this is the sum of the two given rational numbers. Here there is no common factor between 23 and 20, so you can leave it. If there are any common factors, you can cancel the common factor and you can reduce the fraction or rational number into the lowest terms. This is the way of adding two rational numbers. So after learning about the addition, let us discuss about the subtraction of two rational numbers. In the subtraction also, we have to go the sequence of three steps. Converting the given rational numbers into like rational numbers, subtract the numerators, and reducing into the lowest terms. The same pattern we have to follow. Let us see one example. Subtract 2 by 3 from 5 by 7. 2 by 3 from 5 by 7. In the step 1, what you have to do is, you have to convert these two into the form of like rational numbers. 2 by 3, 5 by 7. 2 by 3 into 7 into 7, 5 by 7 into 3 into 3. This is 2 sevens are 14 by 21, 15 by 21. And in the question it was asked to subtract 2 by 3 from 5 by 7. That means 5 by 7 minus 2 by 3. 5 by 7 minus 2 by 3. 5 by 7 is nothing but 15 by 21. 2 by 3 is nothing but 14 by 21. So denominators are same. 15 minus 14, and this is 15 minus 14 is 1 by 21. So when you subtract 2 by 3 from 5 by 7, you are going to get 1 by 27. This is the answer. As usual, there are 3 steps: converting the given rational numbers into like rational numbers, subtract the numerators, and interpreting the final answer. So this is about the subtraction of rational numbers. After finishing the subtraction of rational numbers, now let us discuss about multiplication of rational numbers. Next in the list is multiplication of rational numbers. So how to multiply two given rational numbers? Here also some steps we have to follow. In the step 1, what you have to do is multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators and denominators separately. For example, a by b is a rational number and c by d is another rational number. First you have to do a into c by b into d. Directly you have to. And step 2 is you have to reduce the whatever the rational numbers you got, that rational number need to be reduced to the lowest terms. And these two are the steps we need to follow while multiplying the rational numbers.